This is the night before my 4-year-old's Lego themed birthday party. My 10-year-old daughter and I are putting everything together, so come join us and follow along. Oh, that was really easy. My go-to meal for a birthday party is fruit platter, a veggie platter, chips, juice box or juice, and hot dogs. You know what? The kids like it. It's easy, somewhat healthy. There's healthy options. It's allergy friendly. There's options. That's what we're doing. So we're gonna take a juice box like here. We're gonna hold it and then actually like fold it.
Why did you cut it?
Just to trim it.
Do I need to trim mine?
Yeah. Okay, so it's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock and I have decided that cutting those little circles is not gonna work. So I'm trying to connect my Cricut Joy Extra and I'm gonna try and cut the circles on this foam piece of foam board. It's just like dollar store foam. We're gonna hope that this pays off. The house is hot, I'm sweating, I'm getting tired. On computer, connect. Okay. Perfect. Okay, we got a little napkin holder out of Lego. Okay, now we're gonna bring it out. Okay, let's see if this worked. Didn't cut it deep enough. Dang. Oh, there we go.
I have to destroy all this thing stuff.
Well, I'm sure it'll be okay because he'll be excited about it. Okay.
Oh, Uncle Ben did that before. It was lost to people. Oh yeah, Valentine's Day.
Here's my bright bad and I traced just this part out. The black's a little tricky though. I think I gotta no, I gotta go in. See. Okay. That works. for the forks. Good job. Good morning. Today is the day. It's 6:40. I've been up since about 5 a.m. I got the vegan icing made. I left the vegan butter to sit on the counter overnight because that's what you do with normal butter. Well, vegan butter is like margarine and it's summer and it's very melty. We're gonna do like a dirty icing sort of thing. The cake here, I'm gonna trim it so it's a perfect square. We got it on here, and I got some cupcakes. And I'm just gonna cut. Cut 4 of these. Got the icing. Ice that. And place it. I didn't realize we were gonna make a bigger Lego piece, but this is perfect because he's 4. So now I wish I had like a littler one. Never actually done this before, but what it is, I think, is you ice it all, but it's okay if it looks like not good, and then you put it in the fridge and wait till it hardens, and then you ice it again when it's hardened, and then you don't get all the little cake crumbs and stuff. So yeah, definitely easier to like ice the cake first and then put these things on. It's dirty iced. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. I just got right into this. I forgot to record, but this whole doing the dirty icing first and then icing after. I tell ya, it works. Okay, we got all of our party things together. The necklaces, our party favors, juice boxes. We got our veggie tray and our snackle box, which we absolutely love. And then the Lego napkin holder, which is super cute. And then we use the Mega Blocks for the chips, the Lego cake, some fruit, and then Lego holder for the forks and stuff. Got a letter 4 balloon, and everything was a hit. If you love all things DIY, hit that subscribe button and check the links in the description for all our favorite Lego things.